This is the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So, unfortunately, if we'll go to the display category of settings, not this one, display and brightness, and expand the available values for the sleep option, we'll realize that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 10 minutes. Thus, if we would like to set this value to never, we will need to use the help of a free third-party application that is called Caffeine. In order to get it, you just gotta open any search engine that you'd like. I'll probably myself go with you know what? I recommend that you rather open the browser and visit the APK Pure website. To be exact, its full URL is already APK Pure. It is m.apkpure.com. In here, at the search bar, the query that you would like to type in is Caffeine. That is the app that we are looking for. And this particular app from the HardReset developer, its full name is Caffeine Keep the Screen On. So let's just go ahead and download the APK file. Now we can go ahead and open it, as well as install. Upon installation, all that is left to do is to launch the Caffeine and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And as long as you keep the Caffeine application running in the background, so do not close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time you will keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.